Hi, it's Barkley with Broadview Homes. Today we're going to be discussing your hot water tank. First thing that we're going to notice on top of your tank is an intake and an exhaust. This runs to the exterior side of the house. Also, what we have here is a recirc pump. The recirc pump will push water from the hot water tank to the furthest location of your home. Next, we have your pressure relief valve. This was put in place on the hot water tank just in case there's too much pressure that builds up inside the tank. If you notice that this happens to open and water drains out the bottom, please contact your supplier. Located at the bottom of the hot water tank is your drain valve. The drain valve is used once a year, manufacturer recommendations, to drain the tank. In order to drain the tank, you're going to need a hose that will hook up to the drain and run this to the floor drain that's located in your basement. Before you do the draining of the tank, you will need to unplug it, and then you'll need to shut your main water off. With a flathead screwdriver, open the valve, drain the tank, close the valve when it's fully drained, plug the unit back in, and turn your water supply on. In regards to setting your temperature for your hot water tank, it's quite easy. Hold the two fingers on both buttons and a light will appear. If you decide that the hot water tank is not producing enough hot water, you can adjust the setting by moving it up or moving it down to whatever's comfortable. If you decide that you're going to be going on vacation, there's a vacation setting or mode that's located right at the far left. By pressing the arrow to the furthest left, you'll turn on the vacation mode, which lights up green. To reset it, press both buttons when you get back from vacation, and you can readjust your temperature to your liking. Located next to the temperature unit, you'll find that this is your main gas line. If ever you need to shut it off, turn all the way horizontal. That will shut the gas supply off to the unit itself. To turn it back on, put it in the vertical position. What you'll also notice on the top of your hot water tank are these screens. These screens are located on the top of the tank for you as a customer to install on the exterior intake and exhaust of the hot water tank. What you'll find is that you will need to install during the summer and remove during the winter months. The reason why that they are installed in the summer months is to keep debris out of the lines, and in the winter, to avoid freezing up and shutting the hot water tank down, you will need to remove them. This concludes our segment on hot water tanks. Have a great day.